Hi everyone, my name is Oladapo Oyebode and I'll be presenting our paper titled Tailoring Persuasive and Behaviour Change Systems based on Stages of Change and Motivation. People exhibit various behaviors, either intentionally or unintentionally. For example, someone forgetting to take his or her medication at the right time, or someone experiencing eating disorder, or someone usually sitting for a long time, or someone smoking cigarettes and unable to quit, or someone not sorting wastes before disposal. Persuasive systems for health are designed with the intent of promoting healthy behaviors or discouraging risky ones. But most persuasive systems or interventions are designed using a one-size-fits-all approach. This approach may be ineffective since different people are motivated by different persuasive strategies. And also, different users and user groups may not be motivated by the same strategy. Research has shown that persuasive systems can be effectively tailored by tailoring only the strategies employed. There is little knowledge, however, on how persuasive systems can be tailored to individuals at different stages of behavior change to drive motivation while tailoring the strategies employed. The picture that you're seeing there shows the various stages of change based on the trans-theoretical model. People at the pre-contemplation stage have no intention to change their unhealthy behavior, while those at the very top, that is the maintenance and termination stage, have already adopted the desired change in their daily life for more than 6 months. Therefore, our research goal is to explore how and why certain strategies motivate behavior change for people at different stages of change. Then we explore relations between the strategies and various dimensions of motivation. And finally, we offer design recommendations based on our findings. Our findings show that people's current stage of change plays a significant role in the perceived effectiveness of different strategies, and that the strategies motivate for different reasons and through different mechanisms depending on the individual's stage of change. For example, people at the pre-contemplation stage tend to be strongly motivated by the self-monitoring strategy because it raises their consciousness or self-awareness, while people at the action stage are strongly motivated by suggestion, reminder, and social role because the strategies help them learn healthier behaviors that can substitute for the problematic ones, and also because they provide reminders and cues for supporting and encouraging the healthy behaviors. And finally, because the strategies help them engage in relationships that encourage the desired change. Our approach is in 6 stages. First, we selected 5 widely used strategies. Next, we designed high-fidelity prototypes to illustrate each strategy employed in a smoking cessation application. Next, we conducted a large-scale study to evaluate perceived effectiveness and motivational appeal of the prototypes. Next, we analyzed the data and presented our findings. And finally, we offered design recommendations based on those findings. These are sample high-fidelity prototypes illustrating the suggestion and social role strategies. Based on our results, all the 5 strategies were perceived to be effective for motivating behavior change, but at varying degrees. Also, individual strategies significantly impact motivation at varying degrees for participants at different stages of change. These are some of the key findings. Additional findings are discussed in our paper. Also, we provide recommendations on how to design persuasive applications that target a wider audience and those that target users belonging to each stage of change. Please use the link below this slide to read the paper. These are the feature work. Thank you.